Hello, hola, and bonjour. I'm Josie and I'm 6 years old. In this course, you'll be learning about Scratch. Scratch is a platform and programming language where millions around the world can animate using code. Hope your day is good and we can't wait for you to join us. Bye, everybody. Hello. In this lesson, we're going to be learning a little bit about Scratch. Scratch is Scratch is something that you could create. You could create stuff in Scratch, make a game, an animation, anything you want. So when we're in Scratch, when you want to go in Scratch, you need to go on Google or another thing, and then search up Scratch. Yes, there's also games like Scratch Junior. That game is for little kids that's about 4 and older. So now, when you typed in Scratch, you could just go and then you'll see this. You'll see this page. This page is the page when you type in Scratch. When you see this page, you can just press this button at the top, and then this will come up. If you can, you can go in your account in Scratch. If you have an account, you could just type in anything. But now we are. If you don't have an account, if you don't have an account, you could just go to create. Yes, it's in French, but if you have a device that's in your language that you could read, you could use that device. Now we're in this page. This page I'm going to be talking about. But for now, we're going to be talking about this page. This video, I mean. This video is a video that is going to teach you a little bit more about Scratch. But we are not going to be watching that video because we are already learning about Scratch right now. So we're just going to close that. You press this button to close. Or if you want to, you could watch it. You could watch it. But we're closing it for now. Now let's talk about the cat. The cat is the main character in Scratch. You could use it to do many things, like other characters and things. If you don't want the cat, you can just delete it. Easy. Now, in this creation, we are going to be making a girl walking. How are we going to get a girl and how are we going to make it walk? Good question if you asked it. We're getting a girl by pressing this cat button. When you put your mouse on it, it tells you choose a sprite. You press it. Here's the word that it told you. Choose a sprite. Then there's a bunch of sprites and things. Okay, now I want a girl walking. So if I pick something else like if I wanted to pick this, but I actually pick something else, it won't be good. So that's why I'm going to people. When you go to people, I want a girl dancing, so it's in people. A girl walking, I mean. So I think I know which one I'm gonna pick. I'm picking this one. It's a girl walking, just like I wanted. Now when you got your character, you could place it wherever you want. I'm gonna place it right here. I might move it when I add my background. To get your background, you can just press this button that says choose a background, different than choose a sprite. When you press that button, you could see that there's a bunch of backgrounds to choose from. Now I want the girl to be walking outside, so I'm gonna choose this boardwalk. Now when I choose the boardwalk, I want her to move because she is walking. So how do I make her move? Good question if you asked it. I'm making her move by adding these blocks. Yes, we did talk about it, so that's why I'm going to talk about it now. So how I'm going to make her move, I'm going to be getting 4 of move 10 steps. Okay, 4 of move 10 steps. Let's make them actually 100. Get 100. Okay, now when you add all of them to 100, we want her to say something. So if I say hello guys for 2, or how about 3 seconds. Now we can just press this button and wait, why is it not moving? It's not moving because we need to add the finishing touch. The finishing touch is a block that looks like this. This block will make everything that we added here to do on our character. We're just gonna add it at the top, because if you add it at the bottom, oop, oop, oop. Okay, now, hello guys, and then she moved 10 steps. That's great. Just what we wanted. We could make her do more cool stuff, but unfortunately, it's the end of this lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Bye, everybody.